Welcome to Padu Motivations. Today I'm going to have a spoiler installed on my Tesla Model 3 2023. I purchased the spoiler right through Tesla.com. It came with an installation, free installation also, and the technician, I'm waiting for them to come over right now to install it so you can actually see how it's done. And that's the beautiful thing about ordering everything right through the Tesla mobile. And the technician is installing it now. And what's the purpose of the tape?
Just for alignment purposes.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so now we have, and this is a carbon fiber, correct?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And good. Okay. Oh, you actually connected it already?
No, not yet.
Oh.
It's dry fitted on.
Oh, I see. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. I think it's looking good already. So then you just peel all that, and that's all self-adhesive right here. Now you just use regular rubbing alcohol.
In a way, this is like pretty strong alcohol.
Okay.
It's like 95%. Alright, there we have it.
That's it?
That's it, sir.
Oh, that was pretty fast.
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like she is all done. It probably took her maybe 8 or 9 minutes. She wasn't here very long, but I do love the convenience of having a Tesla mobile technician come over to do things for your Tesla as far as repair or install things. So if you can look at this, it turned out beautiful. I love it. It adds a nice touch to it. It looks good. I do believe it adds a little bit of kind of makes it a little bit more aerodynamic. May even save on gas. Not too sure about that, but also, if you're in the market to buy purchase a brand new Tesla Model 3, now is the perfect time to do it. Tesla's offering $2,500 off a brand new Tesla Model 3, whether if you purchase or finance it through my referral app. And then you just go to the link in the description, purchase it right through the my link, and you get the $2,500 off. Also, you can get $1,000 off a Model S, X, or Cybertruck, or if you choose a Model Y, you get $500 off. So, thank you for watching. If you like content like this, please subscribe. We'll see you at the next video. Boy, that looks good. That looks good right there.